guys, so welcome to another day of me coming on camera looking busted because what's new? Today I am gonna do my what I eat in a week video. It's like 11 o'clock because I kind of waited a little too late to eat. So I'm gonna show you guys my breakfast really quickly. Okay, so this is what I'm having for breakfast. I'm having a banana and then there's two little like protein cookies. I made these last night. I'm gonna make them again, so I'll show you guys the video for that. They have a ton of protein in them. And then I'm having some Greek yogurt. I no longer am on like a really vegan diet. Apparently some people got really mad that I was calling it vegan, even though I said I wasn't really vegan. But yeah, I'm back to eating like dairy and shit like that. So this is like 2 scoops of Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt has a ton of protein in it. That's my breakfast. All right, so I'm getting ready to cook lunch right now.
We eat lunch at 5:30 people.
I've been really busy today, like packing waist trainers. So if you haven't gotten your waist trainer, go link in the bio. Wearing mine right now. Today we are gonna have chicken fajitas for lunch. A lot of you guys always ask me like, how do I keep my grocery bill really low as a college student? I did a $50 like vegan. Apparently people got really mad that I called it vegan because it wasn't really vegan, but it was basically like shopping plant-based on a budget. But I am no longer like really on that diet. I've never been a real meat eating person, so really the only thing that's different now is that I'm just like back to eating dairy. So I'm using these garden spinach herb wraps.
Donde está chicken?
Then I'm using these, hold on. I'm just gonna use these peppers, the garden wraps. I use garden chicken because personally I just find like it tastes pretty much just like chicken and it has more protein in it. A lot of times if you guys replace your actual meat with like vegan supplements and stuff, sometimes, in all honesty, you guys know I'm not gonna lie to you, I've had some like meat replacements that taste like fucking shit, so don't eat those. But the Guardian chicken is super good to me. Like come here, tell them, doesn't this taste just as good? Like doesn't this taste like good chicken?
If you season it.
Well, obviously you have to season it, like it's tofu, but he likes it. I'm gonna add in some like onion too, and I just season this with complete seasoning. So
down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down? Yeah. No friends of mine around. Yeah. Now I'm thinking now.
So I'm gonna make protein balls really quick, which are really good for like in the morning or kind of snacks like that. Basically all you need, I put Greek yogurt in mine. You need protein. We're gonna use chocolate. You could use vanilla, whatever you want. Peanut butter. I like using bananas because they're kind of sweet, so it's a little bit like a natural sweetener. Need quick oats, some honey. You don't have to. I didn't use honey the last time. I'm gonna try it now. And then vanilla extract, some brown sugar. You don't have to use brown sugar if you don't want to. Once again, it's just a personal thing for me, so it's up to you. I added like a little bit of Greek yogurt. I put the honey and the vanilla extract in here. I took the 2 bananas and I like break them apart, and then I put like 3 scoops of peanut butter in here, and it just gets to be too much for the NutriBullet, so I put a little bit of almond milk in it, like literally just a little bit. Then I blend it up. I put the quick oats and the protein separate, like together, and then I added it that way. I also added 2 spoonfuls of brown sugar. It's better than white processed sugar. You don't have to use sugar, but that's just me. I like them a little sweeter. It's gonna make like maybe 20-25 balls. It's not like that much of sugar, so it won't be that big of a deal. At the end of the day, like it's not gonna kill you to have some sweetness in your life. That's basically what it's for, is that like so you don't go and have a chocolate bar, you know? I take 2.5 cups of quick oats, 2.5 scoops of protein powder. Just add it in. This is a little too liquidy, so I'm gonna add more quick oats in, and I just watch as I go, because you kind of want it like sticky. I put them in the refrigerator for like maybe 20 minutes, and then I kind of let them like I guess get cold a little bit. They'll be very sticky if you only put them in the fridge. You don't have to bake them, but like I prefer them to be a little baked through. So I put them in the fridge for like 20 minutes, then I take them out and I put it into the oven for like 10 minutes, and then I put it back in the refrigerator and it just sits there in the refrigerator and stays cold. So there's like 10, 12 right here right now, and then I still have more left. So I'm gonna make these, and then I'll once these are finished, I'll just make the extra and I'll show you guys how it turned out. I put them in the oven on 350, and I'm just gonna leave them in here for like 10 minutes because it's literally just to dry the cookies out, because they're kind of, I hate this word, but moist. So once they're done, and I'll just put them back in the fridge because I don't like to eat them hot, just to cool them off.
Wait,
Watch.
What are we doing?
We're gonna do a water drinking contest. Alright. I want you as a witness, Victor. Stop! Stop! I'm gonna get copyrighted!
On your mark, get set, cock. What the fuck was that? You gotta put your whole mouth over the hole. Put your whole mouth over
I
the hole.
couldn't. I was close.
That was Oh, you're showing.
Just starting to show. My breasts are a little tender. Good morning, guys. It's morning. I'm literally just gonna go to the pool, so I'm having like a light little snack. I've been trying to implement like going to the pool for at least an hour just to tan, kind of in my daily routine. It's kind of like a self-care moment. Like I don't really go on my phone or do any work and stuff like that, which is what I tend to do a lot. Way overstressing myself. Like I'm only 18 and I'm here busting ass, and I have to calm down. So right now I am just having for breakfast the little protein treats. I'm having 2 of them and a banana. Oh, having breakfast. Okay, it's lunchtime. I'm gonna make red kidney bean burgers. So you need some quick oats. I'm using 2 cans of red kidney beans because, like I said, it's always me, Victor, and Josh that eats, and Victor always ends up eating so much because he's a fat pig. So I have to cook a lot more. And then some ketchup, complete seasoning. And I like to add a little bit of salsa in because salsa already has like onions and stuff inside of it, and I like that. These are really good, healthy alternatives, and it's way cheaper because meat is actually super expensive. It's like $6, $7, $8 per pack of meat. And the thing about this is that everything's like canned, it's frozen, nothing's like perishable items, so you can get to keep these groceries for a really, really long time. I'm gonna pour the beans into the Vitamix thing and mix it up. I'm just gonna take the complete seasoning and the beans and kind of mush them together. I just preheated the oven to 400 degrees. I'm gonna take the burgers and put some aluminum foil down on a tray, make them into little patties, and then I'll put them in the oven, and they're gonna cook for, how long did I put that they cook for? They're gonna bake for 10 minutes on one side. You're gonna flip them over, bake them for 10 minutes on the other side, then they are good to go. Okay, so it made 7 patties. These things are very, very, very filling, you guys. So I also am gonna cook, I'm gonna saute some mushrooms and asparagus to go with it, kind of like as a side. Get the pan, put some butter, some complete seasoning, and just cook the mushrooms and the asparagus in that. All right, so this is the finished product. Somebody already ate theirs. How do you feel?
Put crack in this?
Huh?
Put crack in this?
No, complete seasoning. You like it? See? Meat eater approved.
Smacks more than last time.
Good morning, guys. I look bald, but I have a bun in the back. Today, I literally just ate one of the leftover black bean burgers for breakfast and another one of the protein balls. Just because like I didn't really feel like making anything too fabulous for breakfast. And I didn't eat dinner because I was super freaking full. I had a cheese Danish from Costco, which was a pretty bad meal to have, but you know, whatever, I ate it, and that's life. And I don't really like to restrict myself or do cheat meals anymore these days, because I feel like I just don't have the like consistency to really be that kind of person that I can just have one cheat meal like that one day and then be good the rest of the week. Like, it just doesn't happen. I end up binging like crazy. So yeah, I'm gonna go out to eat, I think, like for lunch, because Victor's taking me somewhere. I don't know where we're going. Surprise date, but I will show you guys what I get while I'm out there. So I'm having a vegan Philly cheesesteak right at Ethos. He's having vegan lasagna. So I am filming on my phone, that's why the quality is bad. I didn't eat all of it. I drank a whole lot of water. So I always suggest, if you're trying not to eat too much, 50% of your hunger normally most of the time is water. So just drink a lot of your water. I have a whole meal left for either later on in the day or dinner. We're gonna have a little dessert. It's some kind of chocolate mousse. It's so amazing. I'll show you guys when it gets here, but yeah. This is the little chocolate mousse that we got. It is vegan and it's super, super good. Good morning, guys. So today's Monday. Today for breakfast, I'm keeping it pretty simple. I'm just gonna have some peanut butter toast with bananas on it. I'll probably have a little bit of Greek yogurt on the side. Hey guys, so back in the kitchen. We went thrifting today, so we were gone for a really long time, and then I forgot to bring the protein balls with me, so I was super hungry. So right now I'm gonna eat my leftovers that I had, that Philly cheesesteak sandwich from Ethos, and then I'm gonna cook the salmon and the last bit of the asparagus and mushrooms.
Boys don't think whatsoever.
Anyway, look at my coat, it looks nice.
Wanna
Anyway,
get your light?
no, it's too much work. I want a little portable one. I don't feel like getting it.
I'll bring it.
Today we're gonna make shrimp and quinoa.
What's up, guys? Kamrin is out of town, so I'm gonna be replacing her for this video. So today we're making quinoa. I don't know how to make that, so I'm gonna go call Cam. Thriftshit.com.
Making money like a mint, laying in my ice like shrimp, mint condition